This is the instructional video for pattern number 1, Taekwondo iljang. If you notice on the left hand side of the screen there are numbers to help guide students as to which moves come next. As we turn from the first move, we're going to be performing a low block with our left leg in front. As you can see, I just pivot on the ball of my feet. When I step through, I finish with my right leg in front and I'm going to prepare to turn. I pull my right hand high and I'm going to draw my right leg back onto the ball of my foot and then twist my entire body round to face the opposite direction. And now I have my right leg in front with my right hand down. You'll notice as I step through and punch that I pull my right hand in so as to push my elbow behind. Now when we step forwards, we're going to step out into front stance. Left hand performs a low block, right hand performs a reverse punch. Now as I prepare to perform my inner block, I'm going to draw my right leg forwards so it's in line with my left. And as I finish the inner block, I have my left hand out and my right leg in front. Now when I turn, I slide my front leg back, pivot on the ball of my foot, and finish with my left foot in front and my right hand out. Stepping forward to punch, I'm still in opposite stance to my punching hand. Now as I step, my right hand comes to my left shoulder. I land, perform my front stance, low block and reverse punch. This next part is a little bit more complicated. As I draw my left hand down, I'm going to pull my left leg up so it's in line with my right foot and perform a high block. Now I'm going to bring my hands in so that they are covering my chest and I'm going to perform a front kick, and as I land I'm going to be in walking stance to perform a front punch. Look over my right shoulder, drop my right hand, slide my right leg back, and then pivot everything around at the same time to finish with my right hand high in the high block position. Now we're going to do the same thing as we did on the other side. Left leg this time, left hand, front kick, front punch. Looking back to where I started, I pull my left hand high and draw my left foot in, and as I step out, I perform a front stance, low block. Then I simply raise my arm, step through to finish with my right leg in front, performing a front punch with a loud key up. Once you hear paro, you can then rotate round without moving your right foot into chumbi position where we started the pattern. That's the entire routine from front to back, but if we just take a moment to look at the last section, because I normally teach it with my back to students so that they can just follow my movements. So we're almost ready to finish. We look back to our start position, draw our left hand and left leg in, step out to perform the low block, raise the arm, step through and punch, making sure to key up. When you hear the command for paro, you'll twist and perform chumbi. That's the entire pattern, but if we look at it again in normal speed, if we're practicing at home, we're probably not wearing our uniforms, but if you are, you would be able to hear the snap of your uniform throughout each movement.